Hello everyone. I wanted to showcase the No Rest for the Wicked on the OnexPlayer X1 Mini. So far, this is running very well on this device. This device just came out and just finished the Indiegogo campaign. As far as graphics, what I'm running is running things on 1 second. Oops. Running things on FSR performance and ultra performance, and that's giving me about I want to say about 60 frames, 56 to 50 frames per second. I'm gonna go and going the crossover here and do some gameplay just to show how smooth this runs. This device is amazing. I'm very happy with the purchase. Let's see if I can play here. Focus on. What is going on with this? It has to keep switching source. There we go. But yeah, this runs amazing. If you are somebody like me that spends most of the day going around doing stuff, and then let's say at night you just before you go to bed you want to do some gaming in bed, this device is probably gonna play just about almost everything that you want to play. I really recommend the device. If you need any information about how to get this device, I'm just gonna put it on the description of the video. But yeah, this is it. This runs amazing. Thank you.